Zenvo Aurora arrives with 280 mph top speed and world's most powerful V12. 6.6-liter quad-turbo V12 plus up to 3 electric motors, up to 1,850 horsepower/1,254 pounds-to-foot of torque. 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, top speed up to 280 miles per hour. Available in lightweight Agil and Grand Touring Tour specification. Limited to 100 units, production being in 2026. Meet the all-new Zenvo Aurora hypercar. Hailing from Danish automaker Zenvo, it boasts the world's most powerful V12 ever fitted to a road car, a 6.6-liter quad-turbo, yes, 4, V12 generating 1,250 horsepower on its own, augmented by a hybrid system for combined outputs of up to 1,850 horsepower. That extra help comes from either 2 or 3 electric motors, each generating 200 horsepower. As standard, the V12 is supplemented by only one, mounted in the 7-speed transmission, but optional on the Agil model and standard on the Tour, you get an additional 2 motors, one on either front wheel. That means you can have the Zenvo Aurora in either 1,450 horsepower RWD4 or full-fat 1,850 horsepower AWD guise. The former boasts 1,033 pounds-to-foot of torque, while the latter has 1,254 pounds-to-foot of twist and active front torque vectoring. And the motor revs to 9,800 revolutions per minute. Its performance claims include a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 2.3 seconds and a top speed of 280 miles per hour. To tie it all together, it weighs as little as 2,866 pounds dry in its lightest form, while the AWD variant tips the scales at a dry weight of 3,197 pounds. Jekyll and Hyde specification options. Designed in-house by Christian Brand, the Aurora is based on an all-new Zenvo ZN1 modular carbon fiber monocoque. The 2 powertrain options above correlate with 2 variations of the Aurora's design. The more traditionally beautiful one, green car pictured, is the Touring specification, which gets an abundance of power by default and is also aimed towards cross-continental touring with greater comfort and luxury. It looks less aggressive, with smoother body surfaces, a simpler bumper and front spoiler, and no massive rear wing. Conversely, the Agil specification goes all out with a gargantuan wing aiding its generation of 1,940 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour, with the rest derived from clever bodywork that reminds us of the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Despite being lighter, albeit at the expense of power, the aerodynamic downforce it generates decreases its straight-line performance figures. 0 to 62, 124, and 186 miles per hour take 2.5, 4.6, and 10 seconds, respectively, and its top speed is only 227 miles per hour. Comparatively, the Aurora Tour hits 62 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds and 186 miles per hour in 9 dead. It'll top out at 280 miles per hour, cresting 248 miles per hour from a standstill in 17 seconds. That's more than 3 seconds quicker than the Koenigsegg Regera. Part of this comes down to the differing transmissions, too. While both share the same 7-speed hybridized gearbox, the gearing and shift programming of the two vary. The Agil, for example, behaves more like a sequential box and features more mechanical feeling shifts, while the Tour's gearbox tuning is far smoother. In either case, electronic air shift dampening lets you adjust the ferocity of shifts from within the cabin. Only 100 Zenvo Auroras will be built, 50 in each spec, with production starting in 2026. Chock full of Formula One technology, not only does the Aurora have open bodywork that lets air flow through the car, not just around it, but it features pushrod front suspension. The rear setup comprises double wishbones with active springs, displayed through gaps in the rear bodywork. The bodywork is all carbon fiber, but much of the vehicle isn't comprised of bolted-on panels. Instead, approximately 70% of the Aurora's body is the exposed monocoque chassis, one of the stiffest in the world. It boasts 63,000 Nm per degree of torsional rigidity, yet it weighs less than 265 pounds. Special interiors. Just as the powertrains and exterior designs differ between the two, so do the interiors. The Agil can attribute some of its weight loss to the stripped-out cabin, which is also devoid of unnecessary luxury. Exactly what's been tossed out has not been confirmed. However, it does include some paneling and padding as the carbon fiber monocoque has been left exposed in multiple places, and leather has been replaced by a lightweight technical material on the seats and portions of the doors and dash. The Tour boasts tactile materials like leather and aluminum, and there's additional sound deadening to lend it a proper GT character. Instead of placing an infotainment screen on the dash, everything is located ahead of the driver, with 3 displays including a prominent central tachometer, while the left-hand display is the infotainment and includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. Future-proofed powertrains. The engine and electric motor systems were developed for Zenvo by powertrain specialist Molly. The 200 horsepower e-motor in the transmission helps torque fill to compensate for turbo lag from the quad-turbo V12 while also acting as the reverse mechanism. Furthermore, it can propel the Aurora for up to 22 miles on electric power alone. Throttle feel and responsiveness were a major focus for the whole team, and a significant amount of work has taken place on the dynamics and the integration between the electric motors and the engine, to make this as seamless as possible, explains Jens Sverdrup, Chief Commercial Officer at Zenvo. This is also the reason why the powertrain features 4 smaller turbos, rather than the more conventional 2, so they can spool up quicker. He goes on to make the bold claim that the Aurora will offer a more direct and better throttle response than a naturally aspirated engine. The 6.6-liter, 90-degree hot V engine, named Mjolnir after the hammer of Thor, utilizes Molly jet ignition, reducing the need for overfueling, meaning the Zenvo Aurora is Euro 7 emissions compliant. It can also run on synthetic fuel, which may be the only way for combustion to survive past 2035 in Europe.